how to migrate GL balances, inventory balances, FA, vendor, customer, bank balances, etc.
So let me open the one file and let me discuss. Okay, here. So I'm going to discuss about finance topics here. You are asking about finance or SCM. Okay. If it is a finance, if you are joining for finance, you are going to learn this one. If it is SCM, you are going to learn this one. Now the question is data migration. Okay. So here one is data management framework, DMF, workflows, user permissions, security roles, and then batch jobs. These things are electronic reporting. These all are MB300. So I'm not going to teach you all these things. No. But suppose workflows. How to utilize workflow? I will show you one sample. Data management framework. I will show you one sample data. And user permissions. I will show you sample information. Batch jobs. I will show you sample. Sample information only I can give you, but I'm not going to teach you. Don't expect this module here. Okay. Whether I have given answer to your question?
Yeah, sure.
So sample I will teach you like data management framework, how to import, how to export and import. I will give you one sample, but I cannot spend time on all data. It is not a complex. You need to spend some time and you can learn this one easily. But the one main problem is if you are stuck something, then we need technical help. We need technical help. If you want to clear the issue, if you are facing any challenges, technical, here there will be more of techno-functional. So if I consider like functional as a vegetarian here, functional is suppose I'm taking functional as vegetarian. Okay, and technical is non-vegetarian, suppose. Then this MB300, it is all this MB300, it is vegetarian. Okay, this is a vegetarian. So both technical and functional people only, it is techno-functional only can resolve the complete picture. Okay, I think this question is asking by Samruddha. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. So I hope you understood now. So some extent I can give you explanation, but not in depth. I can give you high level picture about this one. High level picture, but not in depth. I want to be very frank in the very first session itself. Fine. Any more questions, team? Any more questions? Okay. If no more questions, let us understand now. Give me a second. So in this diagram, the purchasing the material and selling the material to the customer, these two processes you are going to learn in depth. One is procurement and sourcing is for purchasing the material. Say like if you are selling material to the customer is sales and marketing. So you need to understand in depth about procurement and sourcing and sales and marketing, these two modules. Along with this one, you are going to learn product information management, inventory management, master planning. Okay, and along with that one, some more you are going to learn. So in this session, you are going to learn procurement and sourcing, sales and marketing, product information management, inventory management, Engineering change management is a new module. Newly added ECM, engineering change management. Next, bill of material, you need to understand inventory costing, one of the important topic. Inventory costing, that is FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, moving average methods are there. Those you need to understand a lot. Next, intercompany stock transfer also you need to understand, and master planning. These are the topics you are going to learn. And little bit finance, little bit, not much, little bit finance you are going to learn. These are the topics from supply chain management, trade and logistics. Okay, this is equivalent to in SAP SD, sales and distribution. In SAP it is sales and distribution. In Dynamics it is SCM, supply chain management, trade and logistics. Okay, fine. Now, yesterday we are learning about purchase order process. So purchase order process means first we need to create a purchase order. Then purchase order confirmation. Second step is purchase order confirmation. Next, product receipt. Next, vendor invoice. So the flow is purchase order creation, then purchase order confirmation, next product receipt, next vendor invoice. Okay, so purchase order confirmation means we are taking confirmation from the vendor whether the vendor has this material or not. So we are running a business. You need to imagine we are running a business. Now vendor needs to send the material to us. So in our company, purchase department will be there. That purchase department, they will check with vendor. Can you deliver this material? Yes or no? Yes, they have confirmed. Yes, I will deliver. Then we are going to make it purchase order confirmation. Yes, he is going to deliver the material to our company. On which date? And then product receipt means we have received material. So at the time of product receipt, it is the physical inventory will be increased. The physical inventory will be increased. Next, vendor invoice means the financial postings. How much amount we need to pay to the vendor? How much amount we need to pay to the vendor? That is vendor invoice. Let me show you this process again. Yesterday I have shown you very quickly. Let me show you now in detail. So I'm closing this application, I'm opening. You need to click on the link. And you need to click on the link. You need to open the browser and you need to click on the link. Then the application will be opened like this. The application will be opened like this. Okay. You need to imagine you are running a business. Actually, you are going to sit in this company, software company. But you need to imagine if you want to learn ERP, you need to imagine you are running a business. Then you can understand easily. Okay, you are running a business. So you are running a business company called USMF company. This client name is called USMF. So here it is that company is there. Microsoft has provided so many sample data. Now we need to go to USMF company. Okay. The first step is procurement and sourcing. Procurement and sourcing. Purchase orders, all purchase orders. Procurement and sourcing, purchase orders, all purchase orders. So procurement and sourcing, purchase orders, all purchase orders. You need to click on new button. You need to click on new button. Select the vendor. So from which company you are purchasing? You are purchasing from one of the company. That company is called vendor or supplier. So you need to select vendor or supplier. So here in our system, it is called vendor. In like other languages, in UK language, it is called supplier account. Okay, fine. We have selected vendor. Next one is you need to select warehouse. In which warehouse you want this material. So warehouse means like this. These are warehouses. Okay. So for which warehouse you want to receive the material, you need to select the warehouse. Then click on OK. Next, select the item. So I'm taking duplicate browser. Okay, I will keep the first browser always released product. So product information management, products, released products. Okay, here I'm going to purchase this item 1000. Item 1000 I'm purchasing. So now manage inventory tab, view area page, on hand inventory. Here in my warehouse, already 133 available quantity 133. Now I'm selecting the item 1000 and I'm purchasing 7 quantity. Okay. Now, if you update this purchase order quantity, like this, now if you go to on hand inventory, look at this one here. Already in total, already 7 is there. If I refresh, this will become 14. Because 7 we have created. As soon as if you create a purchase order, it will update in this one ordered in total. It will update in ordered in total. Okay. Next, purchase department, they will take the confirmation when they are going to deliver. Whether it is today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So today vendor confirmed, yes, he is going to deliver today itself. Then once that they take confirmation from the vendor, they will do like confirm. It is mandatory step. Okay. So purchase order created and purchase order confirmed. Purchase order created and then purchase order confirmed. Next, actually there is a process like approval. This process you'll understand later. Purchase order workflow process. Next one is registration process also there. That also you'll understand later. Okay, now next step is I'm doing product receipt. So product receipt is also called, this product receipt is also called goods receipt note. Goods receipt note. GRN. Product receipt is also called goods receipt note, GRN, or material receipt note, MRN, or simply receipt. Okay. So product receipt or GRN or MRN or receipt, all are synonyms. All are same. So we are receiving material from the vendor. So suppose my company is located in Hyderabad. Vendor company is located in Mumbai. So vendor has delivered material and I have received material. This is vendor is giving material I'm receiving material. Okay, if you receive, it will be increased from 133 to 140. Let me show you now. Receive tab, generate area page, product receipt. So you need to enter product receipt number. You need to enter product receipt number. At present, this product receipt number, for practicing purpose, it is a dummy number. But in real time scenario, it is very, very important to reconcile between your vendor company and your company. This is very, very important, most important. And document date is not mandatory, it is optional, but it is a best practice. Best practice is better to enter document date. Suppose I have not entered product receipt number, then it will throw error message. It will throw error message. It is must, you need to enter product receipt number. You need to enter product receipt number. So I'm entering product receipt number. Click OK. If you do product receipt, that means goods receipt note GRN or material receipt note MRN or simply receipt. Okay. So now if you do product receipt, what happens? Then here, this will become physical inventory. 133 become 140. I'm refreshing. 140. Okay, it was became 140. Next, let me take duplicate. So 1001 ACME office supplies. So procurement and sourcing. Vendors, all vendors. $1001 vendor account. The balance, if you look at the balance, it is 1,70,116. $1,70,116. Now I'm doing invoice. Already we need to pay 1,70,116. Now I'm generating invoice number. Invoice number is must, it is mandatory, and then invoice date. Okay, so what is this invoice number means? Here, vendor will generate 3 copies. 1 copy for one copy for their filing purpose, 1 copy for the truck, 1 copy for you. They will arrange. So that number you need to enter, and you are going to verify the totals. So the material amount, it is 6,293. Next, discounts you are going to learn in the coming sessions. Next, you are going to learn about charges also you are going to learn. Taxes I'm not teaching to you, that is finance topic. So you are going to understand all these things in the coming sessions. Now I'm posting. Update mass status passed. So now what is this update mass status? You don't know. So I'm writing down as a pending point. Pending points. Because I need to teach you this one. So currently we are updating update mass status. It is passed. So what is this update mass status? What is this passed? What is failed? You will understand these things after 1 month. July first week or second week you are going to learn. Okay. Now you need to click on post. Okay, once it is posted, if you go to the vendor balance, it is 1,70,000. Now the value is 6,000. So it will be added 6,000. It will become 1,76,000. Let me close and open. So 1,76,409. Earlier 1,70,000. Now 6,000 some amount is added. That is 1,76,000. So at the time of invoice, at the time of vendor invoice, so financial postings, that means vendor balance will be increased. Is it clear? Any questions, please? Is it clear? Any questions? Okay, just give me 1 minute, please. Only 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Fine. So this is about purchase order process. Now let me show you sales order process. Let me show you sales order process. Let me show you sales order process. So sales order process means sales order creation, packing slip, and then invoice to customer. Okay, in between there is picking process is there. That picking process we will understand later. Picking process also there, and then we'll understand this picking process in future. Okay, let me show you this process. Sales order creation, packing slip, and then invoice to customer. So here packing slip means we are delivering material to the customer. We are delivering material to the customer. So this packing slip is also called delivery challan. DC or delivery note. I'm sorry. Delivery order, DO, or delivery notes, or issue. These are the synonyms. So at the time of this delivery, now stock will be decreased. On hand inventory will be decreased. Here, the physical inventory will be decreased. So at the time of product receipt, it is physical inventory increased. At the time of packing slip, in like inventory will be decreased. And at the time of customer invoice, customer balance will be increased. Yes, fine. Yeah, someone is raising question. Hand, yes, please.
Yeah, Satya. So, see, once we created a product purchase order, okay.
Yeah.
So after creating purchase order and it got confirmed, so how much quantity we have mentioned that will be added to the that will be added in that number, right? You have showed. So
That
what
is at the time
happened?
of product receipt. At the time
Yeah.
of product receipt, it will be
Okay.
increased. Yeah.
Okay. So so before that and also it will show that number, you know,
In
open
ordered
order
quantity.
something.
Yeah,
Ordered
ordered in
quantity.
total.
Yes.
Yeah, ordered in
So
total.
what happened after we creating purchase order and it got confirmed, but we haven't received because there is no stock from the vendor. So can we, I mean, can we delete that whatever we place a request? I mean, we put in the system. So is it possible to delete it? If it is, if it is allowed, so is it, I mean, it will be a problem during auditing purpose, because generally deleting will be a, generally we don't do in the production
because
system,
we
right?
have not received material, so we can delete it, am I right?
Yeah.
But at the time
that's,
after product
Hmm.
receipt, we cannot delete.
Okay. Okay.
But at the time of creation only, and at the
Okay.
time of creation and confirmation, you can delete because you have not received material.
Yes. Okay. So I think while maybe if we have an option kind of deletion, probably we have to add some comments, something like that. We'll have some options, or it will directly delete.
So it will allow you to delete the line items. If you want to delete, yes, you can delete. There is no issue, and it is not required any comments or kind of thing, because it is not at receipt till now.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks.
Fine. Any more questions to anyone? Any more questions? Okay, fine. Now let me show you the sales order process, how to do it. So the sales order process is in sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Sales orders. All sales orders. Okay, this is the path. Let me do now. So sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Sales orders. All sales orders. Click on new button. Click on new button. Select the customer. From which customer you want to purchase. So in your system, you will find DE001. DE001. The first one is DE001. Don't select DE001. Why? This DE001 is intercompany setup. Okay. So I'm writing down as a pending point. Okay. Don't select DE001 customer. Because this is, there is one topic I need to explain you, intercompany stock transfer. So this intercompany stock transfer, you are going to learn August month end. Around August 20th or August 25th, around that area, you are going to learn this intercompany stock transfer. So you don't know what is this. So while doing this sales order, don't select DE001. Any other customer you can select. You can select any customer other than D001. Okay, any customer is fine. So select the customer, select the warehouse, click OK. So here it is showing on order 4. On order 4. Now I am selecting this item 1000. I am selecting quantity 6. Now if you enter 6 quantity, what happens in the on hand inventory? In this, it will show you on order 4 plus 6, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. It is on order. On order means we are going to dispatch material. Ordered in total means we are going to receive this material soon from the vendor. Ordered in total means we are going to receive this material soon. On order means we are going to dispatch material to customer soon. Now in this also there is a confirm button. During this confirmation, credit limit will be validated. That credit limit is a finance topic, but I will discuss with you what is this credit limit in future. So let me write down what is this credit limit. In future we'll discuss. Actually, this is a finance topic. So what is this credit limit? I will discuss with you, but it is a finance topic. As I told you, you are going to learn little bit about finance. So one of the topic, it is credit limit. Fine, but I'm not touching this one. It is not mandatory. Next one is pick and pack tab, post packing slip. So if you click on OK, we are getting warning message, one information. What is this information? You are about to post the document, okay, without printing. So in real time scenario, you need to take a printout. You need to take a printout. That document you need to give to this customer. For this customer, it is the document whatever you are generating. That is for this customer, it is a product receipt. Product receipt number for the customer. For us, it is packing slip. It is must. You need to generate a printing. So for practicing purpose, I don't want printing. So I'm clicking on OK. But in real time scenario, you need to have a printer connection with this one and you need to print this one. 3 copies. Like this. 3 copies. You will generate 3 copies. 1 copy for your filing purpose. 1 copy for truck. 1 copy for your customer account. So you need to imagine this one. Vendor is in Mumbai. Your company is in Hyderabad or Bangalore. And this customer is in Warangal or Khammam or Chittoor. Anything you need to imagine. Okay, so now I did it packing slip. Now, as I told you, credit limit is there. It is stopping. Okay, what is this credit limit? I will understand later. But let me show you where it is. I'm taking duplicate. Credit and collections. This is a finance topic. Credit and collections. Credit management hold list. All credits and holds. So here it was stopped due to some reasons. Exceeded the credit limit. Now I'm releasing this one. I have released. What is this? It is a finance topic, but I will discuss with you later. Finance topic. Now I'm doing once again because we have released this yellow, red, and blue color. You need to understand one by one. Blue, red, yellow, all these things. Now I'm doing post packing slip again. Click OK. It is giving warning message. You are going to take a printout. Without printout, you are posting. Try to take a printout. That's what system is suggesting. I'm proceeding. Now, without any errors, it will be posted. Now, if you verify, if I refresh, this will become 4. This will become 134. Because we have delivered 6 quantity to customer. We have dispatched. So this packing slip is also called. This packing slip is also called delivery challan, DC, delivery order, DO, delivery note or issue. All are synonyms. So if you update post packing slip, then the physical inventory will be decreased. So it was decreased here. Because we have 140 stock, we have delivered 6 quantity to the customer. So now available quantity is 134 only. This is physical inventory available 134. Next, customer invoice. So now Sathya Electronics, let me go to the customer balance. Sales and marketing, collapse all, customers, all customers. Now Sathya Electronics, you can open this one. So 37,428. Now here the amount is 11,000. So if it is 11,000 is added, then it will become 48,000. It is going to be 48,000 something. Okay. So here 37,000 plus 11,000 it is going to be. Now I'm going to invoice tab, generate area page, invoice button. If I click on OK, once again it is giving message. You are about to post a document without printing. Select OK to continue, because you need to generate invoice copy here. 3 copies, 1 copy for your filing purpose, 1 copy for the truck, 1 copy for this customer. You need to arrange. You need to arrange customer invoice copy to the customer. That is the reason it is showing you are about to post a document without printing. Click OK to proceed. I'm clicking on OK because for practicing purpose, I don't want any printing. Now customer balance. Go back and open the balance. Now it will show you 48,000 something. Okay. So at the time of customer invoice, it is customer balance is increasing. Our financial postings will be updated. This is about sales order process. So sales order process is not completed, but there is a huge topic. You are going to learn a lot inside. This purchase order process, sales order process, you are going to learn a lot in the coming sessions. Okay. Now, till now, any questions, please? Anyone is having any questions? Monday onwards, new link will be shared with you. Whoever is in touch with me, you can ping me, or whoever is in touch with Institute, you can ping Institute. The new link will be arranged to you. if you are pinging me or you are pinging to institute, however it may be. But Monday, new link will be shared with you. Fine. Now, so we understood one is purchase order process, one is sales order process. These two processes you will learn. Next one, if you want to do all these things, we need item master. Let me explain. You go to item master. So if you want to create an item master, these are the fields you need to understand. Storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, item model group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit, purchase price, sales price, inventory price, system calculated cost price. All these terms you need to understand. Okay. Now SDG, TDG, PDG. What is this? Inventory dimensions. Inventory dimensions. One is storage dimensional group. Another one is tracking dimensional group. One more is product dimensional group. In storage dimensional group, you will find site, warehouse, location, inventory status, license plate. All these 5 you are going to learn whenever I'm explaining about the high level picture about advanced warehouse management, because I'm not going to teach you this one, but I'm going to give you little bit high level information about this module. At that time, I will discuss with you about these things: site, warehouse, location, inventory status, license plate. Tracking dimension group means anyhow you are going to learn. These are in-depth you need to learn. Tracking dimension group means batch number, serial number, owner. I will explain you. Product dimension group means color, size, style, configuration, version. So storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group are important if you want to create an item master. These are prerequisites. These are prerequisites to create an item master. Next, item group. Item group and item model group. Item group is similar kind of items. We can make one group, that is item group. Similar kind of items. So here similar kind of items means all mobiles one group, all washing machines one group, all laptops one group. Like this we can create. Otherwise, all electronic items one group, all furniture is one group. It is your wish. You means here the client, whatever the way he want, he can do it. But in this item group, this will be used a lot by finance consultant. Okay, let me show you where it is available. Item group. Inventory management, setup, inventory, item groups. In this item group, the ledger accounts will be mapped. This is a finance topic. So item group will be used by finance consultant a lot. Supply chain management team will be created item groups, but utilized a lot by finance consultant. Next, item model group. So item model group is a very big subject. Okay, item model group, it is very, very important. Inventory costing or inventory valuations. Based on the item model group only, inventory valuations will be calculated. So I will call it as this item model group is heart of the application. For a human being, how it is important, the heart. Let me show you. So here, for a human being, this heart is very, very important because this heart will give blood pumping to each and every part of your body. Each and every part of your body, the blood will be pumping from this heart. In the same manner, here also, this is very, very important item model group. Let me show you item model group. This I will teach you item model group a lot, around 6 to 8 hours. Around 6 to 8 hours, I need to teach you a lot. Each and every checkbox I need to explain you, and I need to explain you about here model groups. Okay, this is called inventory costing. You are going to learn a lot about this item model group. Yeah, someone raised hand. Yes, please, Kumar. Yeah, Kumar. Any questions, please? Are you able to speak? I think he is not speaking. Okay. Sahana has posted like, what is the difference between purchase price and inventory price? Purchase price is at the time of purchase, whatever the price is there, that is purchase price. Inventory price is at the time of inventory journals, whenever you are increasing the stock, at that time it will calculate, it will capture inventory price. So example, movement journal, inventory adjustment journal. Using this inventory journal, inventory adjustment journal or movement journal, if you are increasing the stock, then it will capture inventory price. Yeah, is it clear, Sahana?
Yeah, Satya. Thank you.
You're welcome. So Kumar is typing. So finance consultant. Item group, the ledger accounts will be mapping for finance consultant. That is the reason I have kept as intersection. So item groups will be created by SCM team, supply chain management, but will be used a lot by finance consultant. Sometimes finance consultant only will take the decision, item groups creation. But creation will be in general by SCM consultant, and finance consultant will handle it to update the ledger accounts. See, while creating item master, SCM team, supply chain management team, they are going to select item group and item model group. In the PO, you cannot select item group and item model group. You are not going to select. It is freezed. Okay. While creating itself, you are going to select item group and item model group. So item group and item model group are created by SCM team and it will be utilized by finance consultant. So that is the reason I'm going to teach you for both batches. That is the reason I have mentioned here. This is a common. I'm going to teach you for both finance and SCM consultant. Okay. but you are not going to select in the PO. You cannot select in PO. It is in the item creation itself, you are going to map all these things. Okay, fine. Any more questions, team? Any more questions? Okay. So item group and item model group, little bit slowly you are going to understand one by one. Next, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit. These all are units. In general, purchase unit, sales unit, inventory unit are same. Sometimes it may be different. Suppose oil packets. You are purchasing oil in liters and you are making oil packet. You are purchasing in kgs and tons and you are making 1 liter. So purchase unit is kgs, sales unit is liters. Otherwise, you are purchasing iron and you are making chairs. Then purchase unit is in kgs and sales unit is in numbers. So this same units may be same or units may be different. Next, purchase price. It is at the time of purchase order, whatever you are entering price, that is purchase price. Sales price, at the time of sales order, you are entering price, that is sales price. Inventory price is for inventory journals. You are going to learn inventory journals, movement journal, inventory adjustment journal. At that time, if you are going to increase the stock, then it will capture inventory price. I will explain you in the coming section. System calculated cost price. This is a big subject. The system calculated cost price and item model group. It is a big subject. In coming sessions, you are going to understand about this one. So let me show you where it is available. Product information management. Products, release products. If I open this item, manage inventory, on hand inventory, inside search name, you will find cost price. This is system calculated cost price. This price, how it is calculating? As I told you, I need to explain you about item model group. In this item model group, cost price, item model group cost price is a big subject. And I told you around 6 to 8 hours, I'm going to teach you about item model group. At that time, you are going to understand system calculated cost price. These two are interlinked between these two. Interrelated between these two. There is a big subject I'm going to teach you in future. Okay, fine. Any more questions, team? Okay. Yes, it is possible. Non-stocked item also. You can make it non-stocked item, and these combinations I will discuss with you. Item type, item, and service item, and stocked product and non-stocked product. We'll discuss that one. But 1 second. It is for non-stocked product. I don't think so. You cannot. It is not possible. For item stocked product, you can make it. 1 second. Make it stocked product with item. It is fine. Service item with non-stocked product, it will not show, but item with the non-stocked product, we can capture something. Okay, that combinations, there are 4 combinations. In the coming sessions, I am going to teach you, Kumar. Service with stocked product, service with non-stocked product, item with stocked product, item with non-stocked product. There are 4 combinations. Those combinations I will discuss with you in the coming sessions. Okay, Monday will be new link will be shared with you. Whoever is in touch with me, you can ping me 1-to-1. Whoever is in touch with institute, you can ping institute. Okay, they will arrange you new link on Monday. Okay, for Monday, you can ping me or institute. They will arrange you the new links. Okay, I'm stopping here now. We'll connect once again on Monday evening, same time, 8:30 p.m. IST. Okay, see you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sathya.
You're welcome.
Okay, have a good weekend. Bye.
Yeah, thank you and wish you the same.